When it comes to personal blenders, this Zwilling Enfinigy 20-aughts Personal Smoothie Blender stands out as a revolutionary product that merges innovation, modern aesthetics, and top-notch German engineering. Whether you're looking for a compact, high-performance blender for your morning smoothies or need something powerful enough to handle tough ingredients, Zwilling Enfinigy delivers on all fronts. In this review, we'll explore what makes this personal blender special, from its sleek design and advanced features to the accompanying app that sets it apart from the competition. Our goal is to provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision, whether you're a health enthusiast or simply someone who enjoys a fresh, homemade smoothie. Let's dive in. One of the first things that will catch your eye about the Zwilling Enfinigy Personal Smoothie Blender is its modern, sleek design. Zwilling has managed to create a product that not only performs exceptionally well, but also looks great on your kitchen countertop. A combination of German engineering and contemporary aesthetics makes this blender a statement piece in any kitchen. But this blender is not just about looks. It's packed with high-performance features that make blending easy and efficient. From the sturdy stainless steel body to the BPA-free plastic jar, every detail has been designed with both style and functionality in mind. The 20-ounce capacity jar is the perfect size for personal use, and it comes with a drinking lid that turns your blender into a spill-proof, to-go container. This makes it incredibly convenient for those busy mornings when you need to blend a smoothie and head out the door. One of the standout features of the Zwilling Enfinigy Personal Smoothie Blender is its ultra-sharp, razor-sharp cross-blade. These blades are designed to handle even the toughest ingredients with ease, ensuring that you get a smooth and consistent blend every time. Whether you're blending frozen fruits, nuts, or leafy greens, this blender's powerful 500-watt motor and sharp blades can tackle them all. Two-speed settings, Smoothie and Pulse, give you control over the texture of your blends. The Smoothie setting is perfect for creating creamy drinks, while the Pulse setting is ideal for chunkier blends like salsas or purees. No matter what you're blending, the Zwilling Enfinigy ensures you achieve the perfect texture every time. Safety is always a concern when dealing with powerful kitchen appliances, and the Zwilling Enfinigy Personal Smoothie Blender takes this seriously. The appliance is equipped with safety features that ensure the blender will only start when the lid is securely in place. This prevents any accidental spills or mishaps during operation. Additionally, the blender comes with an automatic shut-off feature that activates when the blender is opened. This extra layer of safety gives you peace of mind while using the blender, knowing that it is designed to prevent accident. What truly sets the Zwilling Enfinigy Personal Smoothie Blender apart from the competition is its accompanying app, the Zwilling Culinary World app. Available for free from the App Store, this app offers a database of original recipes that you can access by simply scanning the QR code on the product package. This feature adds a whole new dimension to your blending experience. Whether you're looking for inspiration or want to try something new, the Zwilling Culinary World app has you covered. It's a convenient and innovative way to explore new recipes and get the most out of your blender. For those who love experimenting in the kitchen, this app is a game changer. It eliminates the guesswork, provides you with easy-to-follow recipes that are tailored to your blender's capabilities. From smoothies to soups and everything in between, the app ensures that you always have delicious recipes at your fingertips. Cleaning up after blending can often be a chore, but the Zwilling Enfinigy Personal Smoothie Blender makes it easy. The blender is designed with a minimal number of parts, which means disassembly is quick and straightforward. There are no rubber seals to worry about, so you don't have to deal with lost pieces or dirty crevices. The blades and jar are easy to rinse after use, and the design ensures that there are no hidden spots where residue can build up. This makes maintaining your blender a breeze and allows you to focus on enjoying your smoothies rather than spending time scrubbing your appliance. The Zwilling Enfinigy 20-aughts Personal Smoothie Blender is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's an investment in your health and wellness. The combination of innovative design, high-performance features, and the added bonus of the Zwilling Culinary World app makes this blender worth every penny. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or someone who values high-quality kitchen tools, the Zwilling Enfinigy delivers on its promises. It's built to last, designed to perform, and crafted with attention to detail that reflects Zwilling's commitment to excellence. If you're looking for a personal blender that can keep up with your busy lifestyle while providing consistent results, the Zwilling Enfinigy is an excellent choice. It's a blender that not only meets your expectations but exceeds them, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.